Genesis and love you should have me as a model up in residence, yeah. With my hair like a Milo, I want all the smoke, watch it below. For real though, what you need from me? Y'all sleep country. Now watch me pry they face up on they pillow. And still I ain't done. I'm on the come up like the sun. I'ma get it while I can. I ain't tryna leave with none. I ain't done. I'm doing laps, I'm on the run. I just need a chance, man. All I need is one. I ain't done. I'm on the come up like the sun. I'ma get it while I can. I ain't tryna leave with none. I ain't done. I'm doing laps, I'm on the run. I just need a chance, man. All I need is one. New York Fashion Week, strutting on the catwalk. I ain't trust a single motherfucker who can fast talk. Except me, I'm a G. Once I blast off, a massage, let me argue with the wax off. I can feel the breakthrough. I ain't see a sour face, we don't do no grapefruit. I just in my stride, this is more to make do. We can do it live, I ain't need to take two. Nah, I ain't done. I'm on the come up like the sun. I'ma get it while I can. I ain't tryna leave with none. I ain't done. I'm doing laps, I'm on the run. I just need a chance, man. All I need is one. I ain't done. I'm on the come up like the sun. I'ma get it while I can. I ain't tryna leave with none. I ain't done. I'm doing laps, I'm on the run. I just need a chance, man. All I need is one. Hey, I'm trying to set sail, but it's windless here. Yet I'm back now from the windless year. Yeah, I quit looking in a tinted mirror, and you see me draped up in that vintage gear. That's a clean slate. Miss me with that mean face. Boy, I'm cutting off the lames, that's a clean break. See, I'm on something sweet like a bean cake. I'm eating good, yeah, that's a clean plate. Can't hold me back, it feels good to feel good. My heart told me that. I'm taking in the sun as I slowly rap. Cause I'm in the zone, you have to phone me back. I got a homie that who tryna smoke the day away. Hella shit to get, I can throw it up or lay away. Sorting out the 808s and handling the day-to-day. So why you always on the couch? You can stay away. I don't care what you gon' say. Y'all can't mess with my feng shui. Eyes on me like a runway. Stay laid back like a Sunday. No bad days is how I'm living. No bad days is how it is. No bad days is how I get it. Yeah, no bad days is just how it is. I said no bad days is how I'm living. No bad days is how it is. No bad days is how I get it. Yeah, no bad days is just how it is. I hop on the cruiser, I start pedaling. The wind in my hair be the best medicine. Coming through with the new like a medicine. And with my affairs, dog, you ain't meddling. I hit 'em with the jettison. I'm still fly though. Take my time with my work cause I ride slow. Ain't worried if they dig it long as I know. Cause I've been playing around with fire like a pyro. It changed for me when I put myself first. It's all self-love, I'm giving them the work. They have a show in the front row in my shirt. I'ma drop a whole line with a sweater and a skirt. I'ma be my own boss, yeah, send that. After shifts of bullshit, I'm like, why spend that? Time for a dime, I can no longer pretend that. I quit that fucking job and you know I never went back. I don't care what you gon' say. Y'all can't mess with my feng shui. Eyes on me like a runway. Stay laid back like a Sunday. No bad days is how I'm living. No bad days is how it is.
Open the camera. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. It's waking up. How's everyone today? Let's see who we got. Chiz at. Curtis Hill gang in the house. What up, Curtis Hill? Drop Curtis Hill's custom emoji in the chat. Bomski. Donato Cabrera. A little closer, still kind of shady. Good morning, Donato Cabrera. Thanks for showing up, brother. I appreciate you. What should we put in the chat for Donato? Is that like a baseball player or something? I was playing guitar and hacky sack and blazing on the path and skipping school when most people were playing sports. We made up sports games because we're crazy, but yeah. Martial arts too. I'm into that. Pretty hardcore. Who else we got here? Steve Hickey, Mr. Hickey in the house. Welcome, brother. Thank you and good morning to you. Crypto Bedell. Crypto. I thought of something last night. Bedell, sorry. Crypto. Badell, I thought of something last night, bro. You know how we want to do maybe some teaching and trading and stuff? Maybe live, maybe whatever in the future. Since how you're here chilling, having coffee, bro. I'll break down this really good back-tested like 70-ish% strategy using 2 lines. Cause like I don't know if you were here when I went into it. Like it's pretty good though. I dig it. Luke, good morning, Luke. Luke's a night owl. What time is it over there, Luke? Crazy guy. Thanks for showing up, Luke. I appreciate you, brother. He's my Asian persuasion. What else we got here? Yeah, right. Al JR in the chat. What up? And Jesse, good luck. Good morning, Al JR. Good morning, Jesse. I hope you guys had a good evening, afternoon, and whatnot. Good sleeps for everyone, so we can print some papeski. Here we go. Some clovers in the chat from my boy. Boom. And I'm gonna throw this in here we already did once for Curtis, but this one's for Al JR and Crypto Badell, because we know he's about it like that. Blazing. Who else? Don't want to miss anyone. Hate it when I miss people. I have nightmares about missing people and saying, no, I'm not saying good morning or what's up and shit. I think that's it. Oh, dude. Luke, I don't want to feel like a douche, so what? Pick your what part of Asia are you from? Pick your Asian persuasion. Pick your emoji. I'll throw some chopsticks in this bitch. There. Oh, Luke, what up? Welcome. Appreciate you, bro. Let's get into these charts. I think that's it. Yeah. And then Badell, I'll show you this dope ass strategy that I love. I use it for confirmation and stuff. Oh yeah, check it out, you guys. This is sick AF, bro. Remember we got stopped out of that short last night? And then I redropped it? Cause like, why not? Or no, this is the one that we didn't get stopped out of. I got stopped out of a Sol short, I think. And then I dropped this at the beginning of the stream. And it hit like full TP. Basically by morning. Check it out. That's sweet, eh? I like it when I do good on these things, because then shows proof of concept for people that they can do it too. It's a solid 1 to 3. Me likey. Getting a little dub ski right here, or just ranging, but possibly a dub ski for continuation up. We'll see when we top down this stuff. Might roll over for a pullback though, or maybe we'll just keep ranging. Either way, we're doing good. Let's check out the RSI heat map. Then I'll get into that strategy. Yo, Elephant, the only printing elephant on Earth left in existence. She's a rare gem, ladies and gents. Rare gem. Yeah. Getting ready for bed. Well, don't eat too many peanuts before bed. Don't want a sore tummy. Printing elephant in the house. Oh yeah, check out this one too, bro. We dropped this live too, right? I dropped this live too. I got out though, cause I was like, a lot of red folders tomorrow, blah blah blah. So I just took profits somewhere in here and just tapped, cause I wanted to keep my positions to just 4. Cause like on heavy news weeks and stuff, I don't like to push the limits on anything. But yeah, sweet. We hit TP3. That's definitely more than a 1 to 3, I bet. That's from, I think, last night, it's pretty sure. Yeah, it was. It's printed hard too. This went from like here to like here. while we're on stream. And then while we're sleeping, bam, more printage. Printing in your sleep. Rashad the Crypto God. Welcome, Rashad. Welcome. Afghanistan in the house, bro. Oh yeah, I want to check the risk to reward on this. 1 to 4.43. It's pretty solid too. We're just aiming for the lows, I think. That's, good. It's a good sleepy time play. Okay, let's get back into this top-down market overview. Whoa, that doesn't look great. Look at the red tails on those. Ring, ring, ring. Let's check out the 12. Couple greens. Oh, VVV. My baby's flying. My baby's flying. Whoa, Dusty Hunt. Good morning, Dusty. Welcome, brother. I appreciate you. For real. Thanks. Thanks for coming in. Thanks for having coffee. Who is this? Is that SHADY Sederson? Good morning, all set. Anchor gang. Just drop some anchors in the chat for all set. Boomski, boomski. Oh, did you, Jesse? You're so savage, bro. You're such a savage little degen. You're gonna be one of the best traders in the world pretty soon, bro. You put in mad hours. If you just, well, you probably already are really good, but you could take more trades. So if you practice $1 trades, that's why I love $1 trades. You can try anything you can imagine, any strategy you want. Just try it all. Get everything out of your system, eh? Without losing a bunch of money. Not financial advice, but $1 trades for the win. So yeah, this 4 hour, bro. We're still down here, but we're getting green tails. River, ooh, river. That shady shitcoin is flying. And yeah, we might. I don't want to get too ahead of myself, but we might. Depends, man. All these red folders got me tripping. But all these red folders and the Bank of Japan raising the interest rates or whatever and stuff, everyone knows about it, and the market's been dumping, and everyone's preemptively short biased, which makes me think potentially MM might do the freaking opposite. And like everyone's like, ugh, and then everyone's short and like not trading, and then all of a sudden, boom. But that's just me speculating. It's not like back tested data. Let's check out the 15-minute. Green, trying to get up here. Get a little pumpski. I know that. I gotta keep an eye on this. I don't have to, but I want to. Because it's responsible. Nice! My Zach Long's in profit. I gotta take some. Sorry, guys. Rules are rules. Back to original position size. Continue the printage. Rules are rules. I always say without discipline, there is no trader. Just a little saying I like to say. I'm gonna take profit on Sol too. While I'm on it, so I don't have to get on it again. I think I'm actually at where I was gonna take profit. Pretty much, yeah. So back to original position size on Sol. Let the printing continue. Just nibbling down the closing little percents, trying to get it down to the position size I'm comfortable with. It gives me ninja maneuverability. And I'm gonna add to my Zek short. And I'll add to my Sol short. Just a Vitsky. They're still not at full position size. 2 quarters now. I say 2 quarters, but it's really more. It's really less, because like I try to play it safe. So when I'm 2 quarters or half, 2 quarters. When I'm half position size in, it's really like a quarter, because I have emergency shots for laddering, low leverage. Frank the Tank Frank the Tank. Welcome, bro. Welcome. Welcome. Appreciate you, brother. Love having coffee and printing with you guys. All set. You see these shorts overnight, bro? Printing. Brrr. I hope Shepsky printed. He was in a short. He was kind of worried about it. I hope he printed hard too. Okay, let's check out the long versus shorts here. Sorry, what's going on? Long versus shorts markets.
I got Ace. Punch my boss in the face. He's always on my
I like this one.
How I'm running late, like, wait.
This one's dummy proof to read. Perfect for me. See, this is new. This is what I was thinking last night when I was rewatching the stream, because I rewatch them to critique myself and see what I missed, because I don't like missing stuff. This white bit, bro. This white bit, I think this white bit is the new Bitfinex. Remember how I said Bitfinex used to be the one outlier? Everything used to be like heavy, short, or split down the middle, or whatever the case was. But Bitfinex would be the one outlier that was like more the opposite of everything else. And then I don't know if Whitebit's been around for a long time, but I don't remember seeing it a lot. But I don't always look at this either. But either way, Whitebit potentially might be the new outlier to look for, or just not to look for, like just like one of my 16 confluences I try to look for and keep in the back of my head. Like, look at that, bro. What does Whitebit know? I told you all set. Whitebit Shady. French Toaster in the house. Oh, good morning, French Toast. Thanks for showing up, bro. I appreciate you. Dude, I gotta throw some roller skates in the chat for French Toaster. He's a legend. So many legends in one chat. Like, frick, I'm so blessed. Epic, epic. For real, I'm not even joking. You guys are like serious players in the game, yo. Probably longer than me. So, Whitebit, look at that. What do they know? All set. What does Shady Whitebit know? Net long. That's a lot of longs, bro. I don't know. Something to keep in the notepad, eh? The back of the old head ski. Hyperliquid's got some longs, but this is now we're on the 1 hour, so it doesn't mean as much to me once we get down in time frames. Jesus, bro. 99% long. Is there like only 2 dudes trading on this exchange and they're like both MMs or what? I don't get it. Who would they take money from? Doesn't even make sense. I'm not even blazed. Okay, let's check out. What else do we check out again? Long versus shorts, RSI heat map, and the lickies. Hidden licks. You bears. You always ask me this, and I always say I'm Mr. Bearish for life. Bearish for life, Kelly. I trade the best when I'm not bearish and I'm not bullish. That's when I trade the best. Because then I don't get too, like, headly. I don't get, like, junky, like, headly. Like, it's gotta go up. It's gotta go down. It's gotta go up. It's got, like, that's a bad mindset for me to trade well. I always get wrecked. When I do that, I get wrecked. Like, I've lost so much money having a bias. I just don't. Anything's possible always. But if you remember from last night, I am always long and short. So I don't care which way it goes, because I love printing 24/7. And my longs are printing right now. And the short from last night hit full TP. And this short from last night hit TP3. We're doing an analysis right now to find out short term if I would try a short or a long. I wouldn't say I'm bullish or bearish though ever, because it gives new people a bad idea too. Like when I was new, and people would say, "Oh, I'm bearish, I'm bullish, I'm bearish." Like it says more than it should without saying more than you should. If that makes sense. I don't know. But yeah, I don't know. I don't think we're like in. I don't think we're coming out of a bear market and heading into a full bull market. So I'm not like bullish like that. But I'm not bearish, like I don't think price can't go up a bit and we can't print and make money on a long or something. That's why my longs are printing. No bias. But yeah, let's finish this and we'll see what the probabilities are leaning towards. But this ain't loading. Remember how I was saying liquidation heat map is shady? Today it's even more shady. Okay, here we go. So yeah, it looks like it's going up to take this liquidity, but looks like and definitely will are two different things. Let's check out 3-day real quick. UK's on the rise. Yeah, buddy, for sure. Maybe they'll gobble these lickies up. So, but yeah. Are you bullish or bearish, Caliphant? Who's bullish and bearish in the chat ski? I don't even know how to do polls, you guys. Okay. Juicy bar down here. With all these little blueies plus this greenish stuff. It's worth taking, but you never know which way it'll go. But it's still pretty split. But there's a little more to the downside now because we've been jogging up a bit. I think, like, closer, I mean. I don't mean more and more, I just mean closer. 46, 38, 38. Yeah, there's more down here. According to this. It's pretty accurate, I think. I just don't trust those zero pockets. Like, it says no one's long right here. There's zero longs right here. Like, yeah, right. But I know it's lagging, too. I know it's lagging. So maybe they just don't have the data plugged in yet. Okay, let's check out the charts. Oh, wait. Let's just see what's going on today. Oh, sorry, flashbang. Sorry. Wednesday already. Oh, hump day. Hump a day. 12 a.m. with CPI. That dumped it though, I think. Didn't that dump from? Why don't I go live on my Discord? Because I wait for people to ask me for help. And then I'll go live with them one-on-one for free. And then if anyone else wants to join, they can. Because because I'm still learning too, bro. Like, so I study all day. I still study all day. I used to have these genius mode phases where I'd be like, I gotta figure it out. I haven't took a licky or a stop in like 9 weeks. I'm the best. And then I get wrecked. And then yeah, this website, I am in dark mode. But yeah, this website needs to do that. Oh, dude, I figured out a way. I'm gonna filter this. I figured out a way to filter the flashbangs. I just didn't do it yet. I thought of it last night when I flashbanged you guys. I figured out a way to filter this. Yeah, bro. No more flashbangs. JR, fuck, I'm cracking codes left and right, bro. Cheat code. But yeah, Rashad, if you want a private, if you want a one-on-one on Discord, bro, hit me up. Let me know when you're free and chilling, and then I'll just try to make time. But yeah, so I was saying between studying, because I study like a lot. I watch lots of trading interviews. I'm like back testing, like forward testing, I guess, and back testing. I'm testing a few things. Where's all my things? How come they're hidden? Oh no, they're there. There's just so many things I can't tell. But yeah, I got all this stuff hidden. I'm always experimenting and exploring and stuff. It's fun. I love trading, right? So. But yeah, so that's a lot of hours. And then sleep, food, shower, friends and family. I'm probably not doing enough of that. But you guys are my friends, so we have a good time printing, learning, printing. But yeah, I don't know, live on YouTube twice a day and a ton of studying. Plus I go into other people's YouTube lives to support them. Yeah, I know, I saw happy, shout out to Piper. Shout out to Army Piper on his vacation. Happy birthday, Piper. Legend. First guy that believed in me when no one else did. Never forget that, bro. Yeah, wish Piper happy birthday in Piper Academy Discord. Or in my Discord too, he's in there too. If you don't have the $5 or whatever for the Piper Academy Discord. Yeah, pop in, wish him happy birthday. Discord links in the description too for the free one. If you don't have the $5, join the free one. Wish Piper happy birthday. Yeah. Yeah, not enough hours in the day, Rashad, but I will go live as soon as anyone lets me know they want to. Yeah, I am a YouTube hype man, and everyone, I support everyone, bro. Not everyone, but I support all the bros, all the people are like that are honest and transparent and actual traders and actual not scammers. I support, so I'm in all these YouTubes every day, chats and stuff, supporting, chilling, joking around, being dumb. And then Discord, I don't do as much Discord. I used to do Discord classes too, like 3 to 5 a day. I do like stages that I'd attend and learn at, and like Zooms and stuff. But I haven't been doing that as much. I've been doing more exploring kind of, and chilling with you guys and stuff. But yeah, not enough hours in the day. What I'm getting at, Rashad. But I'll do it anytime anyone asks me. Like I went live in Piper Academy with Luke and Little Fish and stuff the other day. Just ask, bro. Just hit me up. It doesn't cost anything to learn free stuff from someone that it costed thousands of dollars and thousands of tears to learn. So hit me up. If I can help someone go through less pain than me, it wasn't a waste. So Bitcoin top down, let's top down this shit. I just gotta check the oscillators, bro. I gotta check the momentum, yo. See, tiny candles on this. I gotta make this smaller. I feel like I messed with the scale. Tiny candles might get a little dipsky. Check the 8 hour too. See, tried pushing up. Now it's getting a tiny candle, but we still got 3 hours left in it. But the candles are getting smaller. So actually, this might be good though, because we could be dipping. Ooh, and bad. Depends. Depends if we do a lower high on the oscillators and price, or if we do, or a higher low, I mean, on oscillators and price, and it depends if we get a div or not. Because if we get a div, that means price has to go lower and sweep the lows. But we could just get a higher low on oscillators and price and a continuation, which would be good. And if you look at these wicks on the 8 hour, is this big enough for you? Can you guys see it? But yeah, if you see these wicks, that's decent buying pressure. Ain't mad at that. Check out the 4 hour. Oh yeah, I said I was gonna start checking out the 3-day and stuff. I just feel like, well, it's good to keep in the back of your head, I guess. Let's check it out. Yeah, see, bottom end of this oscillator, we had clipping. Might be going for a higher low or a possible divage. God forbid. I feel like the lows have been swept like 12 times. We don't need to sweep the lows anymore. Yeah, see, we had a juicy one and then smaller and now pink. But that's not a tell-all. It's just a piece of the story. See, because now these pinkies are getting small. So that's good. And that's on the end clipping. On the daily. This might be charging up like Goku. I'm telling ya. I know Frank doesn't want to hear it, but we might get a little Santa rally. And I don't mean new all-time highs. I'm not against it. Anything's possible, but just a pump for this long that I dropped, basically. And then if it goes better, cool. Like if it goes up here to like 90, that'd be cool. just to test this previous support here. This is on the 8-hour too. Let's mark it for fun. Oh, come on. There you go, buddy. Yeah, I like that. That's good right there. Yeah, even just to test this. And then this quantum reactor would be dope. That's on the 8-hour. But it's still possible. I'm not gonna say it's not. Anything's possible. We can go to 100, bro. Doesn't mean we will. Doesn't mean we won't. Okay, 4-hour. This is where it starts getting. This could just be goose heading for a little tail whip continuation. This moving average I got on here is curving up too. That's good. Because last time it curved down, we continued down. So one would deduce, now that it's curving up, there's a chance. There's a chance. It's on 2-hour. This looks like continuation too. Why does this oscillator look funny? Oh, is it because of the date bar at the bottom? It won't let me move it. It won't let me move it. That's weird. Anyways, higher lows, slightly higher highs. Pinkies flipping blue. That's why the longs are printing, starting to print. Starting to think I'm like bullish-ish, Kelly. Bullish-ish. But I've been saying that since I dropped this long, right? But then I scalp a short, right? And then now I'd scalp a long, and then just see how it goes. It's up to MM. If we're careful enough, we trade seriously enough, one day maybe we could be MMs. But then we hate ourselves. Ha ha ha. The eternal struggle. So yeah, hour and a half flipping, ribbons turning up. We got a little flip ski here. This moving average this high though and coming down is slightly concerning. Let me see this. Slightly concerning. Slightly concerning. Yeah. But whatever. Flipping on the ribbon. That's good. This is good too. See, these moving averages crossed. It crossed here, we got a juicy dump. Crossed here, we got a little pump. Now we got a little cross here, so this might just be a little scalp long. We'll see though. It's not over till the fat lady sings. The main thing I'm worried about, as far as being bullish or bearish goes, is that I don't get stopped out on these plays I drop. And that they hit TP1 at least. Or full TP would be nice. So as long as that's happening, I'm a happy Balearish little fella. Happy Balearish Canuck. But yeah, I'm not looking for all-time highs or nothing. That's for sure. Half hour. Ooh, half hour is juicy with this. Moving average and the ribbon. Ribbon looks strong. It's like a stochastic kind of type thing. It's like an improved, it's like a souped up stochastic here. With extra signals and stuff, and like just shows you the bear and bull divs hidden, and shows you money flow, shows you volume. And these power bars up here, when these power bars get real lit up, as soon as they start dimming, you could almost start building a short. And then the clipping hits hard. The bear divs and bull divs hit hard, especially on the 2 and 4 hour. And we do have this oversold, and these power bars were lit up overnight, and now they're cooling off. See, lit up, cooling off, dark, lit up slightly for a pullback, cooling off for continuation. And up here we barely got them lighting up. They're just starting to light up. They're not even as lit up as this dim as the die down of this bottom end. So they're not even like, at best they're like quarter charged up like Goku. So we still might have some move out of this. For sure, for sure. Now let's check out. If I was awake for this, I would have dropped this long. Scalp long. But I already dropped this long, so we're already kind of in that. We just hedged the scalp short. But check it out. Perfect tap on the anchored VWAP from the lows. Whoa, JVV, welcome. Appreciate you. Good evening, JV. Throw some purple hearts in the Chizat. There. Good morning and welcome. Thanks for showing up. Appreciate you. So yeah, check out this dope ass anchored VWAP support, bro. Where's all set? All set anchor gang. Sometimes all you need is an anchored VWAP. Double bottom, anchored VWAP test. Boom. Printing. Struggling at the dynamic or quantum reactor, whatever one's called what. Chart prime, cool stuff that works on chart prime. We got previous day high up here. So if I was awake for this, and I'll look at what I do here for a late entry too. Oh yeah, if I was awake for this, I would have dropped it around here somewhere probably. Would have put stop loss below anchor VWAP. Then I'd target previous day high. And TP. Yo, where's my horizontal? It's not in my favorites. Trading view, stop effing with me. Whatever, this would be like a TP. London high, definitely a TP. Another TP would be, I'd probably TP some here too. What is that previous week? Previous week low. And then of course I had a TP and raise SL to break even at 1-to-1, which would be just before that TP. Or no, I'd be down here. Sorry, tripping, looking at the wrong thing. So at this point I would have done this, and then took a little bit from my efforts in case it reversed, and then TP here, which is at, and then TP here, which is not at, and then full TP for a scalp long. That's my story, I'm sticking to it. Oh yeah, Badal, I'll show you that 2-line strategy thing. I'll just use the one indicator to make it clean. Here. I'll get rid of my TPs too, just to make this cleaner. Or, oh, I got rid of the setup box. Whatever. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. 2-line strat. So check it out, Badel. Look at how beautiful it is. Oh. On the best days, I don't do it. On the best days, I don't do it. Look at this one. Oh no, that's a wide one. It's pretty wide. But still, it played out good. But that's pretty wide. I'm surprised we didn't range it. It's just a fat drop, I guess. That's why. But anyways, 2-line strategy, Badel. 2-line strategy. Gotta make sure these times are right, though. Yeah. So it's the first 15-minute. So when the market opens, New York market, this is a New York strategy. Everyone knows it by now. I learned it from some shady teenager, some Canadian teenager online. Jade something. There was a 5-minute one with him though. But and then Trader J at Chart Hackers. And then Alex O started doing it recently in the past bit. So you mark the high and low of the opening 15-minute candle, Vidal, with a green line and a red line. You mark the opening high. I'm just showing you on this one because it's an easy example for someone new to this strategy. And then I'll show you. And then we'll go look at some other ones, and I'll show you how how a person could play it without taking a loss, or like potentially. So yeah, high and low of the first opening 15-minute candle. Then you wait for a candle close above the green line to go long, or a candle close below the red line. 15-minute candle close below the red line to go short. That's the simplest way to play the orb, and it builds discipline because you have, instead of front running at the mid and front running on the 5-minute closes and little break and retest on like the 1-minute, 5-minute and stuff, you just wait for a 15-minute candle close and you enter. So builds discipline for like not FOMOing and stuff too. Good morning, beautiful. Lunar Beaches Crypto. My ninja. Good morning, bro. Good morning. Drop the waves in the chat for Lunar Beaches Crypto, baby. Boomski. Ride the wave. I got a song for you, bro. This is my local bro from Edmonton, Alberta. And he's got this song called Ride the Wave, bro. And I thought of you as soon as I heard it. This is it. Should we turn up? Are you guys too sleepy for a little turn up? Okay, 2-land strategy. So break above the high of the opening candle. I hope that makes sense, but sleepy head. See this candle? It's the opening 15-minute. Just mark the high. You mark the low. Then it closed above. So then you go to your long button and tool because you want to track your trades so you can learn from them. You push the green button. Then you look and you make a choice. How tight is the orb? It's pretty tight. Should I put my stop loss at the mid or at the low? I'd go with the low because it's pretty tight orb. Then you want to target a 1 to 3, but don't expect to get the 1 to 3. But you will, just not always. So you target a 1 to 3. See how it says 3 here on risk reward ratio? And the long tool is just chilling right here on the left side here. It's like the fourth, third one down. And then 1 to 3, so you want that to say 3 right there. And then as soon as you get to a 1 to 1, no matter what, as soon as you get to a 1 to 1, that means the same size of your stop loss is the same size of your profit. Oh yeah, and you're only risking 1% of your account on this stop loss. So when you punch, I'll show you later, but when you punch it on the exchange, you can check to make sure it's only 1% of your account on the SL, and then you know you're doing the thing, okay? To be safe and learn and grow, and not roast your money. Not financial advice. Just saying, that's what I do. That's what I do. So as soon as you get to a 1 to 1, you take some profits, like 25, 33, 50%, sometimes 75% risk tolerance pending, depends on the person. Then you raise stop loss to break even. Now it's a free trade, and you have 75% to 50% or 20, whatever you left in it. You have that running to hit your 1 to 3, which was around there, roughly. So you would have got it full TP, boom, printing, and that's the 2-line strategy, Vidal. That's what I'd start with if I was starting to learn how to trade again, and I like had someone who tried a million things and lost a bunch of money and like cried like a little bitch, like me. If I had someone like that to give me some advice, that's the advice I would take. I'd give myself that advice if I could time travel. But yeah, bro, so check it out. These ones, this is why you take profit at 1 to 1 and raise stop loss to break even. On a short, so you get a candle close below. You can wait for it to come back and retest the low, and don't expect a perfect retest. It'll be a little sloppy, but it'll be roughly. They might retest the mid too. They can retest the mid of the orb or the low. Somewhere in there, you want to hold that. And rarely they will retest this and then go down, but that's rare. So you're looking for a retest of the low or the mid. But sometimes they won't even retest and they'll just send it, like on that long. They didn't retest shit, they just sent it. But anyways, so candle close. Right here we get a candle close below. So yeah, 15-minute candle close below. Enter a short, stop loss. See, you can choose to ride the top of the orb tight, but if there's a high right here, like this high, if there's a high right by the high of the orb, because this is our orb high, if there's this little wick here, it's almost best just to cover that. I've found in the past. So then we're targeting a 1 to 3 again. Wait for it to say 3, 2.99, close enough. Targeting 1 to 3. I wonder if that played out too. Let's see. Oh, that did play out. See, orb's killer, bro. You would have got full TP anyway. But to be safe, what do we do at 1 to 1? Take profit. Raise stop loss to break even. So at 1 to 1, around there, you take some profit, just a nibble, 33% or so. Risk tolerance pending. Raise stop loss to break even. Targeting your original 1 to 3. And printing, bro. Printing. That's 2 orbs in a row. Two that work in a row. See, this is where it gets tricky here. You get these fake outs. But if you get, this turns into a 1 to 2 because you're taking profit at 1 to 1, kind of. You know what I mean? But you can also add back in too, like on this retest. Like once you get practiced and stuff, like just master one thing. Once you get practiced and seasoned with it, bro, you can be like, oh shit, it just retested or like teased the orb low and it's continuing down again. So you can take that profit you took at 1 to 1, add it back in. Like use your, I use the momentum oscillators for confirmation or for like confluence, just to give me a better idea. And then I'll go down to the 5-minute, 15, half hour, 10-minute type stuff. But anyway, so you can add it back in and you can run that 1 to 1 again, bro. And then take profit again. And then you still get your 1 to 3. So that dynamic risk management, that might equal 1 to 3. But either way, your 1 to 2s and your 1 to 3s and your 1 to 1s, they make up for this case scenario. When you get faked out. Because MM is a greedy bugger. But this is a strong, if it punches through strong too, I'll just enter. I won't wait for the candle close. I'll just enter. If it's strong. If it goes through strong. So this orb ain't too bad. Go below the low there. This low, this wick. Right at the low of the orb. And then let's just see what a 1 to 1 is. Ooh, dirty. See 1 to 1's here. If you would have went to the mid of the orb, 1 to 1 would have been hit, and you would have took profit and raised SL to break even. So that's something to be noted. Tighter the stop loss, like if you do the mid and stuff, your 1 to 1s come sooner, right? So you would have got your 1 to 1 here, raised stop loss, break even, stopped in profit, made money. But anyways, back to this. So let's say you didn't, but I also do it when I'm close to 1 to 1s, because you're supposed to monitor your trade, right? So if you see like these rejection wicks and stuff, you might consider taking some profit and raising your stop loss anyway. Like that comes with experience though, right? But just based off hard rules, let's say you sat in it waiting for that 1 to 1. We'll just say that. So you took a stop, that's 1%. But over here you made 2 to 3%. And then on this one, if you left a runner, like at the end, plus did the 1 to 1 continuation thing, probably would have got 1 to 2.5, 1 to 3 altogether. Roughly. Maybe better, but either way, I underestimate so that I'm not let down when I go to do it, right? So this 2 plus this 2, we'll just say you got 1 to 2 out of these, even though they hit 1 to 3s and more actually on both, but we'll just say you only squeezed the 1 to 2 out. So that's 2 plus 2 is 4. So then here, when you hit a stop loss and take your 1, you're still up 3. You're still up 3%, bro. And not only that, once you get stopped, we get a candle. Oh, this is a fuckery one. We get a candle close below. So and it's an aggressive drive down too. You gotta be on the screen for this stuff though. I can teach you what I do, which is so I can sleep and work and stuff. Don't have to be on the screen for that. But yeah, this one hit a 1-to-1 on the. So you would have just took that stop, and then on the breakdown of the orb, you would have got your 1-to-1. You would have got your stop loss back, bro. Basically, and then so you take profit, or at least part of the stop loss, and then you made it times 3 in the future. So basically, near break even, then you're up, and then you're up, and then where's the next orb? Right here. This is a solid 1-to-1 too. Right here. So then you're up more again, and then right here, up even more again. Then right here, up even more again. And then right here, next day's orb, up again. That's a solid more than 1-to-1. So you would have took profit twice. Probably hit a 1-to-3. Let's check it out. See, I wouldn't enter on that wick, but I would enter on a candle close, or if it's a strong candle, I count a strong candle through as a candle close. So let's say I entered halfway on that puppy, but if I enter a little higher, I tend to do the mid stop loss, especially if the orb's a bit wide. So I'd go below this low right here, and then you target a 1-to-3. Target 1-to-3, and we almost got it. Boom. 1-to-2.8. You would have took profits at 1-to-1. Raise stop loss to break even. Free trade. Printing, bro. So yeah, if I was new, bro, and I wanted to learn how to trade, I would start with this orb strategy, because I just showed you it works. It's not like pretend, and I do it almost every day. So yeah, I know it works, and there's hundreds of like, I think I've learned this from like five different mentors, I think, that do this. Like a lot of people do it. It works good. So I'm not the only guy that's tested it and tried it out and all that stuff. And then I'll teach you how to use the RSI and stuff, and like some simple indicator, just one simple indicator, just for confluence. Look at these double bottoms. Jump, double bottom, jump. I'm just gonna check the chats here. Okay, AMD's moving down. I'm not even gonna read that comment, Caliphant. You know how I feel about those. Under the daily bear flag. Yeah. JV's from Australia, bro. Luke, where are you from? What part of Asia are you from, bro? Let's see if you answer. Oh yeah, double doji. I gotta drop that stuff in the Discord. What's this? Yeah, 6 to 7, 8 hours of sleep is. I like 6 to 7. 8 hours is good though. Thanks for the free Discord link. Drop in the chat, Jesse. Appreciate it. Hyper speeded. Double doji may play on the 4-hour time frame, awaiting for candle close. Where on Bitcoin? Oh yeah, bro, totally. For like to go up, because we're going down. Double dojis. Boom. Yeah, Frank shared some alpha the other day. You know how everyone teaches the doji and golfing, which is a good entry, because doji and golfing on the 5 or like a lower time frame is a good entry for sure. But double doji would be even better of an entry. And Frank was saying double dojis work out pretty good. And if you look here, look at this. Double doji. Double doji. Huge. Gonna be huge. That'd be a huge move down. Let's look for some more. Do these count as dojis? I'm not big on the rules on count. I just look for the vague, like, rough description. Because I know what, like, rejection wicks look like, and I know what tiny bodies look like. But yeah, this, I would call it a double doji. Even though it might not be. I'd play it like one. This is a, what's this, a doji then a hammer? Doji hammer. Hair hanging man or whatever. What do you call these when they're like that? I think it might be called a hanging man because it's not at the bottom. Because if it's at the bottom in pink, it'd be a hammer, but if it's at the top, it has to be upside down in blue to be a hammer. Is that right? I don't know. I gotta do a video on it, so I better figure it out, eh? And here we got some doji hammers and stuff, wick, rejection wicks. Not played. But yeah, it's definitely, it looked juicy when I was reading it. So yeah, I'm gonna keep an eye on that. Does it work on the 2 hour and stuff too? Like all time frames or what? It's cool anyway. Let's check out USDT dominance. Oh yeah, that's the short from us. Okay, USDT dominance. So we're almost out of time. Did I type too many types? Yep, I typed too many types. I hate how these volume things are so huge on here, but then when we actually want to use them, they're like, well, that's not bad. I wish I could. Oh yeah, I did make them transparent before. I'm like a squirrel, eh? I just explore on these charts all the time. I did make them transparent. Let's do that again. I liked it when they're transparent. My settings always, sometimes they reset. That's too transparent. Can you guys see that though? That matters too to me. Fuck. There. Oh, where's Pinkies? It's almost 2 damn, eh? Let me know in the chat if you guys can see it. I'm gonna save it though. Can you guys see this? The volume? Yeah, I'll wear a Santa hat if we get a Santa rally for sure. I'm actually gonna whip out my Christmas sweater pretty soon too. Oh, Alex Crypto, yeah right, bro. Yeah right. The legend himself, bro, gracing me with his presence. That's sick. I appreciate you, bro. Thanks for popping in and having coffee. Orders in the chat for Alex Crypto, the Scalp Master. Freaking legend, bro. All time frames? Cool. Thanks, Alex. Yeah, I'm not a complete fall down. Yeah, bro. Early bird gets the worm, brother. Oh, 6 minutes. You're on in 6 minutes, eh, Alex? I'm pumped. I love your show. Every day. Okay, LBC, what's nope mean? You can't see the volume candles? I'll turn them up later. Back to USDT. Ooh. Oh, that's only the 8 minute. Might be going for a bear div. We could get a juicy little pumpski. If we get a juicy bear div on the 4 hour. Even just a lower high. It's losing momentum is what I'm getting at. Tiny candles. Clipping. And then this ribbon tried to flip, but it looks like it's almost gonna flip, do a double flip. Double ribbon flip. But money flow is increasing. But that's on the 4 hours, so it's like old data showing now, kinda. So everyone's like, money flows in the green, but it's like, if it's in the green for too long, it's probably gonna go the other way for a bit. But that's a different conversation. This trend line is invalidated. I can adjust it though. Track that momentum, just to keep an eye on it. Yeah, tiny candles on an hour and a half for 88 minutes because I'm a freak. And then we're getting pinkies and they're getting bigger. So that'll pump our lungs more too. Even if it's just scalp or whatever lung. It will pump. Harpski in the house. Well, good morning, Harp. Welcome, brother. Thanks for showing up, brother. They print jellies? Jellies? What's jellies, bro? I'm in Canada and I have no clue what you're talking about. I want one. They sound cool. What's a jelly? They print jellies? Is that when me and Alex will print too hard and people get jealous? Printing jellies? Just kidding. But no, what's a jelly? And where can I find one? And if you were to rate them 1 to 10, 10 being epic, 1 being poop, what would you rate these jellies? Slight curvature on this one. Oh, a jelly donut, eh? Yeah, bro, for sure. Tim Hortons prints mad jellies, bro. RP, so funny, bro. Yeah, we got jellies. We got Canadian maple donuts too, bro. It's like maple, you know, like chocolate. Those chocolate strange brewery hoser. Oh, it's an old movie, bro. I can't memorize that. Oh, my mouse pad. Okay, calm down. This mouse is... I need a valid mouse pad. Okay, we're back. So you know, like Boston creams with that chocolate icing on top? We have a Canadian maple one with, it's like Canadian maple icing on top, and inside there's like custard. You know, like that cream. So good, bro. I love a Canadian maple. The name makes it taste better. But they're good. No, bro. I know what you're talking about too, bro. It's history, bro. Everyone knows about it. Well, a lot of people should know about it. We're getting a weak little attempt up, but it looks weak. It's kind of weak. So yeah, this is helping that short-term bullish-ish bias. I feel good about the scalp long that I dropped and deleted immediately on accident. The late entry. I'll drop it again just for tonight so we can keep me accountable. Oops. Under the low. What's this? 1 to 3.6. I'll just put it with my other TP. Easy breezy. Easy breezy lemon squeezy. See how that does for Asia tonight. And yeah, it's time for Alex O Crypto. Thanks for coming out. Thanks for having coffee with me and chilling this morning. I appreciate you guys a lot. And yeah, happy printing. Peace. If any mods have the link for Alex O, if you could drop it in the chat. I need more mods, bro.